The Devon Izara Lekku pattern is here. All you need to build this yourself is a pair of scissors, a permanent marker, contact glue, I use Pattex Classic here, a mask for gluing, rice, and some fiber fill, as well as upholstery foam in 5mm thickness or any equal material. The reason I say this is because sometimes it's hard to get such thin upholstery foam, but up to 1 cm of thickness should still work. The thinner the better though. You can also use fabric wadding and sew instead of glue as a substitute. Okay, let's get ready to craft. First tape the pattern together and cut the pattern in pieces. Copy the patterns on upholstery foam with your marker and add all the guiding lines and letters. When done cutting, start with the head main piece and glue it together in the back. Be careful to do this in a well-ventilated area or wear a mask when gluing. Next step is gluing the legs. Glue the leg short seam together and match the letters A. Then glue the long seam and match the letters B. You will notice that the sections aren't always the same length. This is by design, as these uneven section lengths shape the foam. To glue uneven sections, you will need to pull the stretchy foam a bit to fit in place. Be careful not to rip it, as it's generally not a very sturdy material. After that, you'll be able to glue the leg tip in on itself. The second leg will be glued in the same way, but needs to be mirrored, of course. Now you should have 2 leg pieces finished. Then glue both legs into head main carefully, matching up letters A and B in the process. When you glue the second leg, you will notice that the 2 pieces join in the back. Glue them together there to close the headpiece. Flip it over and fill with rice in the tips for weight. And fiber fill in the rest. After that, you can close the legs to not have the fiber fill in your hair. Glue the inside leg covers and match letters A and B along the way. Now you can go different ways. Either you use 4-way spandex or tights and pin it to the Lekku to figure out where to make the seams, or use the exact same pattern as a cover here. I've also seen people color the foam directly or use Plastidip to seal it, but as the foam is quite easy to rip on its own, I prefer covering it. Anyways, I hope this helped understanding how my Lekku patterns are built. You can find them in my Etsy shop, the link is in the description.